before we can put the discharge manifold on, you want to grease these O-rings so they'll stay in these O-ring grooves. And then apply anti-seize to the manifold bolts ahead of time. Don't be afraid to use a lot. Now that you've applied anti-seize to all of the manifold bolts, we can lift it up, get it started, and then you'll need to thread in a couple of bolts. And then gradually turn the bolts in by hand to run the discharge manifold in evenly. Torque the discharge manifold bolts to 30 foot-pounds. Torque the discharge manifold bolts in the following order. And then recheck them again.